it's me, Ren. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So if you're wondering why I have a full face of makeup on, that is because today I really wanted to do the random number generator challenge thing. I explained that super good. It's because today I really wanted to do the random number generator challenge with one of my favorite palettes, which if you watch me or follow me at all, you know it's the James Charles palette, and you probably think, man, that's the only palette she has, but no, it just has some of the best colors. So, and I thought it would be difficult because it's 39 shades, so you could get literally any color. But I just wanted to start with a full face because I just didn't want this video to be that long, and if you guys have been watching me, you know how I do my face already, so it's not going to be that big a deal. So here I have a random number generator, and I'm going to generate 4 colors, and we'll do this together. So the first one is going to be 26. I'm going to write it down. So we got 26, 3, 3, 29, and for our last color we have 9. Yes, so 26, 3, 9, and 9. All right, so this isn't the greatest because we got a bunch of shimmer colors. So we got 3, which is the shimmery gold, 9, which is this matte brown, then we got this shimmery purple and this shimmery blue. So this look might not be the best. So I'm gonna start off by taking this matte brown and just kind of placing where I want my crease to be deep. So I'm just gonna, just gonna place it right here above my crease to deepen it. I kind of took way too much on the brush. Okay, I'm gonna kind of, oh no, this happens sometimes when we do our base first. Yeah, that looks good. I'm gonna then, then I'm gonna take this brown and I'm gonna smudge it under my eye, kind of making like a really goth, kind of like really dark look. Because I think with this shimmer we need some balance. So we're just gonna take it and blend it up. Now we don't have like a transition shade to blend this color out. Hold on. But I am gonna take some Tarte Shape Tape, put it on the back of my hand, take my wizarding wand, and I'm gonna put it on my lid kind of in the center, but I'm gonna bring it towards this inner corner and blend it up, cutting this crease. Then I'm gonna look up. Because I have hooded eyes, I need to create my own crease above my natural crease. I'm not too worried with the shape because I'm really gonna blend it out once these shimmer colors are on here. But you know, you still want like a nice shape, and then clean up whatever you must have done here. Okay, so we have a nice like cut crease shape. I'm then gonna take this light brush and take the lighter shade of the shimmers, which is this light blue, and I'm gonna pack this on to my inner corner. She's different. Really get that in there. Okay, so we are packing her in, not really using a lot of back and forth motions. Then I'm gonna take the other side of this brush and dip it into the darker shade of shimmer, which is this dark purple. And I'm gonna start packing this right next to it. Man, wouldn't this be nice if we had like a really pretty transition shade and not 3 shades of shimmer? Doesn't look that bad though. Okay. Now it's just all over my cheek. So now that we have those shimmers right there, we're gonna take the same brush with that dark brown in the corner, and we're just gonna kind of go over that cut line and kind of blend it out. Also gonna help to make the shimmers a little bit darker to blend in with the look. I'm now using circular motions to really get a nice blended line on my upper lid near my eyebrow. So now those shimmers don't look so out of place. I mean, they still look like I'm really confused, but they don't look so out of place. For this last shimmer, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna connect the shimmers right here and bring it down into this brown. I'm blending it into the brown. And then I'm gonna take the brown and blend back into it to darken it. Really kind of dramatically smoke it out. All right, off camera, I'm gonna do this other eye, pop on some liner, pop on some lashes, and then we'll come back. All right, we're back, and this is it. Oh no, it's kind of scary. I mean, it's not the worst, I don't think. For 3 shimmer shades and a dark brown with no transition shade, I think it is the best we're gonna get, but we do look like Cruella de Vil or some sort of Disney villain. All right, guys, the last thing we have to do is to highlight this monstrosity. And first I'm gonna highlight my nose, then this beautiful cheekbone, and then this beautiful cheekbone. And you know what? This look does not have enough shimmer, so let's highlight. Oh, not with that though. That's just asking for disaster. Okay, let's say a prayer for my brushes. So then let's highlight this. Oh yes. Let's make this look sparkle just a little bit more. And highlight my lip a little bit. And there you have it, guys. This is my random generated James Charles palette look. I think maybe next week I'll try to redeem myself and use the Bloodlust palette. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram, please. That's where I come up with new video ideas and I engage with my audience. I respond to all comments and messages, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.